the first week of COVID. It's that decision. Stay open, don't stay open. If I'm putting my staff and myself at risk, and if I am, what risk is acceptable to maintain a business that's been in my family for the last quarter century. The flip side of this is COVID has made me have to be stronger, more efficient. So we very quickly pivoted to do delivery for the first time we've ever done delivery in 25 years. My thoughts on feeding the homeless and the underserved are that it is a pleasure to do it. And so when I have an opportunity to feed someone who needs food, that is one of the main reasons I'm in this. Programs like On the House help me by giving us a lifeline in some of our toughest times. Any amount of revenue right now can help us bridge the gap to cover rent payments, to cover our electric bill, until we hope things open back up, the weather turns. Programs like this are saving businesses in our community, 100%. There's no doubt in my mind.